Hey everybody, my name is Jules. I'm doing a review today on the Atom 41-inch longboard drop deck. I really like the skateboard. The reason I like it is because, well, I just started skateboarding 2 months ago, and why that's relevant is because, you know, there's a lot of people out there, when you're looking at buying your first skateboard, the very typical question to ask is, what kind of longboard should I get? And I would rephrase the question actually. In retrospect, I'd say, what kind of longboard should I get for a newbie? And this would be the one I would recommend. And the reason being is that, well, 41-inch longboard, what's cool about it is that because it's got such a long deck, 41 inches to be specific, it's more stable. It's more stable to ride. So if you think about like a Jeep has got a very short wheelbase, so it's a very bumpy ride. Whereas, say, a Lincoln Continental has a very long deck, or it's a long car, so what happens is that that's a much more stable ride. So this 41-inch deck on this particular board makes it very smooth to ride. In addition, if you take a look at the board, it's got a drop deck. So what that means to you is that because it's got a drop deck, it's got lower center of gravity, so it's less tippy. So it's less likely for you to fall off. Side note, when I go skateboarding, I always wear rubber gloves. And the reason I wear rubber gloves is because, if you think about it, rubber gloves, you land on your hands when you fall down. You don't land on your head. I'll wear gloves any day over a helmet, but that's just me. I still recommend that you wear a helmet, but I'm not a big fan of them. But that's just my choice. Now, another cool thing about this given skateboard and why I highly recommend it is because of the tires. So the tires on this particular thing are made of soft rubber and they're big. So we're gonna take a look at that. You can see like that, very soft, big tires. So what does that mean? Well, basically the trickster skateboards usually made of harder rubber and they're smaller, so you can stop better. And yeah, I'm sure you can do power slides or power stops with this particular skateboard, but I sure as hell can't. And when I've tried the hard tires, the smaller tires, it's not as comfortable to ride. So call me a wuss if you will. Being 45 and learning how to skateboard, I don't think that's too bad. Finally, if you're wondering what this white goo is on my face, it's sunscreen. It's 27 degrees today here in Toronto, and we're a little closer to the holes in the ozone, so I think we're more likely to get sunburns here. I'm not sure of that, but I know that an El Blanco guy like me can get burnt pretty easily if I'm not careful, so I wear a lot of sunscreen, and that keeps me looking girlishly young. Until then, get the skateboard, or at least try skateboarding. It's so much fun. You take care, and the link is below for this product. Highly recommended. Cheers. Bye for now.